All right, here is a quick video on assembling the Ultimo display case. This is the 2x2 version, labeled such that it's got 2 pieces wide and 2 pieces high, and you can expand that in either direction as you want. I've laid the parts out in front of me here. I've got the pieces for the door, the front corner pieces, the back corner pieces, the mid side pieces, these pieces here. Then I've got all of the back pieces as well as the pieces for mounting it on a wall bracket, and then the front side pieces. So I'll start with the back, and the key thing is when you're building to ensure that your male parts are sticking up and you're going from female into male in a clockwise direction. So we'll go like this. And there's one corner piece with a hole in it, which is going to be where you feed the cables out to. And try to think about like what your bottom, top, left and right of this back panel are. So I want my cable to come out the bottom left, and therefore I'm going to run these hanger pieces at the top. So that'll go in there. And like that. I'll just take this piece off to be able to slide my back panel in. Now I've printed all of this out of a gold PETG filament. It's a little bit looser than the files will be that you'll get because I want to be able to assemble it and disassemble it easily, which you'll see in the next video. So we'll move on to the side pieces now that we've completed the full back panel. I'm using a matte black acrylic because I think that looks best as a backdrop to any of your miniatures that are going inside. Once you've got the mid side pieces in, drop in your 150 by 300 millimeter acrylic side panels. And then next we'll build the front section. So this one is, just take note of the channel where the door will sit. And I find it easiest to build with that face down. And again, I'm kind of building in a circular motion, making sure that the males stick up. And now we want these last ones going here. And that is the body of the case. We'll set that aside and start work on the door. The door is fairly straightforward as well. I tried to make it as simple as possible. It's hard to get it wrong. The thing that probably takes the longest in constructing these cases is gluing the magnets in. All right, so I've got some neodymium 6mm by 3mm magnets here. They're cylinders, and I've got some super glue. So we'll just quickly super glue all of these in. All right, for the purposes of cross compatibility, I'm just going to check which direction I put these ones in at. Yep. Push all your magnets in. Oh, need a couple more magnets, all done. And then obviously you want to reverse the polarity for the doors. So if we're attaching on that side, it's going to attach on this side on the case itself. Always like to triple check. Okay. Cool. And then once your super glue dries, you'll be good to pop your door straight on the front of the case, just like that. And that's it. You've got yourself a 2x2 300 by 300 millimeter display case. There are shelf hangers as well that look like this with a little key. The key just pushes in like that, and then you slot the shelf hanger down the center slot. You line it up to where you want your shelf, and then you turn the key. You do the same thing at each of the points, and then sit your shelf inside it. Like that. So that's it.